Okay, I've got the first one in and she's happy. Look at this, ready? Just really easy. Spins almost by itself. Really happy. Nice. Then all I did was just a bit of oil. Plonk. Plonk. Just like that. And then we come over to the old one. And very gently line that up for that hole there. Everything else is good over here. And just got to line it up. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. Very nice. And this damn fluorescent light. Okay, so while we're at it, we're going to be replacing these glow plugs. Now, for those who don't know, diesels do not have spark plugs. They actually just use compression. So you've got the top of the cylinder wall and then the piston comes up, and as the gap closes, all the particles within that gap get so hot it goes bang, spontaneous combustion. But when you're running the starter motor and you're trying to start the car, the engine doesn't spin fast enough to make that happen, to generate enough heat. So we have these that are called glow plugs, and this tip here, as the name suggests, it glows red hot for a few seconds, and then eventually it creates enough heat for the engine to start, and then they turn off. Now, these are obviously our old ones. Here we have a brand new one. It's the wrong one. My suppliers are understaffed at the moment, and the new guy gave me the wrong bits, but that's alright. The concept works for this video. As you can tell, the condition is very, very different, and these are getting towards the end of their life. So I've got the correct ones on the way, but these are situated within the head, underneath all of the intake manifold, like all of that stuff there sits on top, and they slide like in underneath, in between everything. It's a lot of effort to get to. Might as well do them while it's all out and apart. And same with this little guy here, camshaft sensor. Here's our original. Hasn't failed yet, but it's getting there. So while we're at it, and it's easier, we'll add in the new one, and we're going to extend the life of this engine as far as we can.